Hi, I'm Kristen.
Hi, I'm Holden.
And we're half of the Dean Team. We are going to have a fun day out together at Fun Warehouse in Myrtle Beach. What do you think? Are y'all ready for an adventure?
Let's go!
Laser tag, inflatables, roller skating, go-karts, all the things. Fun Warehouse has changed a lot since we started coming here when the kids were toddlers. They've added on so many cool things. They have a lot of specials and things going on throughout the year, so make sure you follow them on social media. Today we'll be showing you everything there is to do here. Here's a look at the hours of operation. Here's all the pricing. They have roller skating, go-karts, laser tag, VR, inflatables. You can also bundle with a power pack where you choose 4 activities. And then there's also all day play where you have unlimited play for the day. Here's the pins and grins pricing. Bowling is per hour and then Krazy Darts per person. They have half price all day pass Monday through Friday. Bounce around for $7 with unlimited inflatables and free coffee for parents until 5 o'clock. 2 for Tuesdays for locals. This is how we roll Wednesdays where you get 1 hour of bowling and unlimited skating. Wednesdays you get $6 go-kart races. On Thursdays they have Throwback Thursday Retro Adult Night. Sunday Fun Pass, and then Trunk or Treat is coming up in October. When you enter, you do need to fill out a waiver, so they have a station here for you, and they have the QR code. Here's the VR area. They have lockers available here for you. The lockers are $1. If you want to get rollerblades instead of roller skates, it's going to be a couple bucks extra. If you want to grab one of these gates, it's going to be around $5 to help you skate. To skate every Wednesday at 6 o'clock. There's plenty of places to sit and eat next to the roller rink. I also love these stools that overlook the roller rink, and they have charging areas for you the whole length of it. Here is the menu, all the different starters, pizzas, and flatbread. Ooh, family pizza special, $34. 2 large one toppings and a pitcher, that's not bad. Salads, sandwiches. Well, you can even get funnel cake, brownie a la mode. We're headed into the inflatables, which are for 10 and under. For the inflatables, no shoes and socks are required.
They got a place for you to put your shoes.
He's headed into Star Wars first. Where to next?
Cars.
Okay.
I'm doing the small to big.
Okay. We've got Cars, Star Wars.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. It was fast as lightning. It was a little bit frightening.
Hold on! Oh no! Are you gonna try it again?
Yep.
Oh, you got it! You got it! Hold on tight! Hold on! Never let go! Easy. Easy.
Good job, y'all.
How was it?
Time.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was really fun. I'm about to do this thing.
Now Holden's going to show you around the laser tag arena.
Oh no!
How was laser tag?
It's good.
Tell me about the arena.
It's 2 stories. There's 6, 7 written all over the walls.
Oh.
Don't know if that helps.
How long were you in there for?
About 15 minutes. Depends on if you're playing teams or free-for-all. Free-for-all is 15 minutes. Teams is only 10 minutes.
Did you do teams or free-for-all?
First time we did free-for-all because there was a lot of people, but the more amount of people, like if there's a lot of people, then they're going to do free-for-all. If there's not that much people, then they're going to do teams.
Must be 7 years old and 48 inches tall to drive. How tall are you? 56. 7 inches. There's a spot over here where you can go watch the go-karters. Have fun, bro. The track extends outside the front of Fun Warehouse and then comes back inside. So the coins, that's what you touch on the course?
There's coins on the track.
Here's the information where you can purchase a new ticket. So you can get $10 game card, 20, 30, or 40. 50 is the best value. You can also reload your card or check your balance.
Just won a lot of tickets. 29 tickets.
Good
Got
job.
25, 20 on that.
Awesome, good job. There are a lot of games in the arcade. Ticket time. Ooh, Fast and the Furious. Space Invaders.
I'm so good at
Oh, they have our game, buddy. These are the classics right here. Skee ball. This is our game that we love to play. Basketball. There's air hockey.
Simply hit the target to win a prize.
Give us balls.
Okay. Why are there only like 2 balls?
What is happening?
Oh, there's 3.
Hey,
Oh, yes.
the hair, kid.
Ah! I think I broke it.
Okay.
We need to get a 30 ticket.
Ooh,
Yes.
a little chin juice.
Yes! Good job! Oh my gosh. We're doing really good. Oh yes, that was good, I feel
How
like.
much did we get?
Oh, so close. Give it another shot.
30
tickets!
tickets! That's good. What happens is what you spin, like how many tickets you get? Seriously, you were so close to Park Place. We're gonna go check and see how many tickets we got.
64 tickets.
Good feeling about this.
I'm closing my eyes, don't tell me. What'd you get? That's good. Is it how many you catch you get points for?
No.
So that means you get what, 35? Oh, that's good.
Wait, so now I can get both my things, right?
Yeah. We got 445 tickets, so we're getting a pickle. What else are you getting? You're getting a pickle and
Hand buzzer. Let's
A
see if
hand
it works
buzzer.
on Henry.
hold on, let's see. Yes. Shake my hand. So mean, so rude,
Wait.
so rude. Ah! Here's the bowling alley area that's new to us since the last time we've been here. It's so nice. Holden's favorites represented over here. There's also a pool table. There's the bar over here. Under 21 cannot sit at the bar, but there's the bar here, and then the lanes are right over here. Dart games can be purchased by the hour at the bowling desk. There's a little stage area over here, but right now, the little ghosties are rocking out. This is party room 1, all set up. Thank you so much for coming along with us to Fun Warehouse. We had a great day. What was your favorite thing you did today?
Get little Jim Bob.
You did like the arcade.
The arcade was really fun. The funnest thing that I did today was either roller skating or the inflatables.
I didn't get to ask you, what did you think of the go-kart?
I like them. If it's only you and 2 other people that you know doing it, then it's going to be fun. Because when there's everybody has to stop if one person crashes.
Right, so you do get held up a little bit if there's a lot of people on the course.
You do get held up.
I think we need to come back again before you turn 11 so you can do all the inflatables. Why should people come to Fun Warehouse?
Because it's fun.
Then it's in the name, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's fun. There's a lot of stuff to do.
Come and get the pickle.
Yeah, come and get the pickle.
We have a post on our website, deanteamadventures.com, of all of our favorite rainy day activities in the Myrtle Beach area. This is definitely on that list. Be sure to check out their website to see all of the specials that they have for locals, events that they have coming up. It really is a great place in the Myrtle Beach area that's different than the trampoline parks and the other things that are out there to do. I had a great day with Holden today. I'm so glad we got to make some great memories together. The whole Dean team will be back together in our next video. Thanks so much for coming along with us, and we'll see you soon.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
And as always,